If you've been watching the channel for any length of time, you probably know that I think the ability to make a fire is right up at the very top of importance as far as things that help you survive in almost any situation. And so I think it's a really good idea to always have some sort of pre-made fire tinder starter with you at all times, just in case you're in horrible, deplorable conditions and you gotta have a fire. So, today we're gonna take a look at this one that I've been carrying around in my wallet for probably close to a year. Just fits in my VanQuest wallet very easily. It's a Wazoo Firecard. We're gonna see how well this thing works. Coming up next here on Survival on Purpose. Okay, here we are with the Wazoo Survival Firecard. There's a couple of ways to use this. First, you can just light it with a lighter, your favorite lighter, and it'll burn for up to 30 seconds. This thing is just the size of a credit card. What I like about it is it's not sticky, it's not gooey. Like I said, this has been in my wallet for almost a year. It's still in great shape. It's got a nice smooth finish, and it is a highly flammable modified biopolymer. Is what they say, whatever that means. It does say do not breathe fumes. Noxious gas can be created when burned. Do not use indoors. Intended for outside emergency use only. So there's a couple ways you can do this. So we're gonna do it the small way first, and you can use this thing for multiple fires. I've got a copy of the Wazoo Gear bushcraft necklace with a little mini ferro rod on it and a ceramic scraper. We're gonna use this just to keep it all in the same family. So just take and we'll scrape a little pile of these things off here. It's a lot easier than scraping magnesium. Let's see if we can get us a fire going now. This itsy bitsy little ferro rod, which is certainly not the easiest one to use, but it's certainly the easiest one to wear. And let's see. Look at that, man. There she goes, pretty stinking quick. And we could get that going just as quick. And then if we really want to go crazy, we can get the card burning. Look at that thing go, man. We'll put it under there. Just see if we can get a sustainable fire with this thing. 30 seconds of burn time is what it says. We'll see if it lasts 30 seconds. It's a nice big one there. Let's see. I may be getting a little extreme here, but I believe we can call that a sustainable fire. And again, you saw how just that little pile of shavings was able to ignite my little curls. So like always, it doesn't matter what kind of fire starter you have, your fire prep is what's important. So when you go and get your prep done, if you had your prep done, I think I could have taken those curls, put them over here in with the rest of the stuff and not even used the card and got a fire going. But I wanted to see how well the card worked as well. And I got to say, man, oh man, like everything else I've ever tested from Wazoo Gear, they used to be called Wazoo Survival Gear. I think they changed it to Wazoo Gear. It just plain works. And this, and I've got another one that has a Viking whetstone on it as well, but this bushcraft necklace is, I think, one of the coolest things because it's just a cool necklace and it is very, very functional. You got this and anything that's flammable, you can start a fire. So pretty cool there. So that's it. We're not gonna take up a lot of time with this video. I just thought it'd be really interesting to show this to you. And what I didn't do, I should have, but it's already burned up, but to show you how waterproof it is. But you can dip this thing in water and it'll work. And I wish I had shown you that, but I just burned my only card up, so you're gonna have to trust me on that. But if you don't believe me, you can go to Wazoo Survival Gear and buy your very own. They cost $2.67 each. You can get a 3-pack for $8, a 6-pack for $16, or a 12-pack for $32. And what I really, really, really like about them is that it is so thin and so convenient. You can carry it in your wallet. And some of the other smaller fire stuff like that, either is gooey, it gets resin off, it gets sticky, it just puts off stuff that you don't want on your other stuff. And this doesn't. It's just like a credit card, but it absolutely, as you saw, it burns like it's made out of gasoline. and really easy to carry with you. Doesn't get messed up. It won't get torn up or just completely anything. It's just almost impervious until you set it afar. So that's the Wazoo Survival Firecard. I cannot tell you how highly I recommend this. Again, 3 of them for $8. Keep them in your wallet, keep them in your gear, and you got guaranteed fire. Chuck Norris can dribble a bowling ball. That's it. As always, thanks for all your support. Thanks for watching those ads. It really does help keep the channel afloat. And thanks for watching all these silly videos. I really appreciate it. Once again, my name's Brian. Remember, survival's not an accident, so be prepared. I'll see you next time.